Let's meet the contestants of table number 21. She's been the face of a number of big brands in advertising. Her first film had gave her the golden opportunity to work with some of Hollywood's biggest names. Her debut film was The Best Exotic Marigold Hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands. Tina has a partner in the game. He's an acclaimed actor who was also once putting people on the hot seat with his game show, Sach Ka Samna. Today the tables have been turned. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time on the hot seat, the very talented Rajiv Khandelwal. And now, ladies and gentlemen, if we have the contestants, the people who orchestrated the game, of course it's time to meet the person that hosts the show. In an avatar that you haven't seen in a very long time in Indian cinema, the host of table number 21, the entertaining, the suave Mr. Khan, Mr. Paresh Rawal. Well, ladies and gentlemen of the press, before you all start with your questions, let's take this moment to hear a few words from the team itself. Mr. Rawal, would you like to go first and tell us what your experience was like with the making of the film? Of course, I might say you're looking extremely handsome this evening. It's not very often that we get to see you in a suit. You're looking really, really handsome. It's a lovely avatar. Tell us about your experience with the film.
To start with the experience, I would start with the script. It's a lovely script, and that's why we wanted to be a part of this film. Number one, and you know about the producers, all of them are very good and very supportive producers. And coming to the director, Aditya, I worked with him before, and very nice guy, very sweet guy, you can see that. Absolutely gentleman, and when we were kind of grouchy and all that, he used to, calmly look at us and then smile and etc., etc. Then you saw Tina, very hardworking and beautiful, hot Tina. And coming to Rajiv, the actor I admire the most, and a terrific gentleman. So in all, the journey was beautiful, and I hope that the destination is as good. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone. मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल था. It was very difficult for me to say yes to this film. When I read the script, the first reaction was, oh my God, what a script, but I can't do it. Very, very challenging for me. I think I did the film for 3 reasons. One was the script. Then, of course, the gentleman sitting left next to me. I always wanted to work with him. Everyone wants to work with him. I wanted to work with him. And then, of course, Eros. I didn't want to leave the opportunity of working with Eros and Next Gen. I think my producer, Vicky, was one of those most gentle producers I've met. He was more like a friend. I never looked at him as a producer. I still remember when I landed in Fiji, he was there to welcome us, and we had some very, very good time. Tina, sitting next to me, I was really skeptical of working with her.
Thank you.
She surprised all of us. I'm in awe of her. She is far more hardworking than I think I am. She was really, really very committed. You rarely come across actresses who do not care about their look, their makeup. They are only focused about their performance. And I think she's done a wonderful, wonderful job. And of course, Aditya. I have worked with Aditya in Will You Marry Me, which didn't work. And we were hell-bent on making our film work together. And this one is that film. So I hope you enjoyed the film. 2013 is going to open with our film. And I'm sure there's going to be a great promise to start with. Thank you.
These guys got the good answers. So whatever I say is going to be a repetition of this. I'm extremely thrilled I got this film because of the names associated with it. So it was a great way to start off here with Eros and with Adi and with Rajiv and Mr. Raval. So and I had a strong character and had more to do than most films. So I was extremely thrilled that I got that as a follow-up. I had a million highly ridiculous questions, different levels of ridiculous, and credit to Adi for tolerating all of them and answering all of them patiently as if they really did make sense. And these two guys had me on my toes completely. He's effortlessly intense. He has, I don't know how much experience. So between the two of them, I was constantly like pulling my hair out. And Vicky, of course, extremely supportive. So I'm really grateful that I got this as a start. That's it. Thanks.
Hello, everybody. Actually, this year had been great for our industry. It also had a successful releases this year, and next year also looks very promising. And starting this next year with a very high concept film, which is Table 21, and great performances by Paresh ji, Rajiv, Tina, and all the best to team of Table 21 and to Adi and to Vicky. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I heard this script from my writers and I thought it's a very unique and fresh concept to take up. So, and the only characters I could see are Paresh ji to host the game, Rajiv obviously because he's always put people in the hot seat, so I wanted to put him in the hot seat this time, and obviously Tina who delivered very freshly to a movie, you know, being a very fresh face, and I needed 3 high volatile performers for the movie, and everything has fallen in place very well.
Good evening, everyone. I guess the first time I got the script of Table 21 was Mr. Vicky Rajani actually emailed it to me. And it's actually my first thriller that I've ever shot. So when I read the script, I remember I was actually holidaying in Goa. And I took the next flight back to meet him, and I said I can't let go of this movie, and I really want to direct this movie. And I just want to, and Shantanu and Shishak were the original writers of the script. They've done some crazy stuff and some crazy jobs, so I met them, and it was what do you say, like a New Year's gift on my lap, having Mr. Sunil Lulla and, you know, Vicky Rajani as a producer. On top of that, Mr. Paresh Rawal, Rajiv and Tina as, you know, my key performers in the film. You can't ask for better. So let's see how it goes.
Okay, ladies. Check. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, we've obviously introduced you to the first look of our film. We've introduced you to the cast and the key people who orchestrated this film. So why not play a little bit of Table number 21 with y'all this evening? We've got the host of the show. So, sir,
तो
would
आगे
you
वो
like to
घड़ी
take
जब
over?
सारी दुनिया के सामने राजीव और टीना करेंगे टेबल नंबर 21 का सामना.
मुझे पूछना है.
So, after all, you are the host of the show.
If you lie, you die. Number 1. Number 2 is जब झूठ होगा तब ये बजर ऑन होगा, राइट? मैं दबाऊंगा, ओके. आपसे, यस यू, या आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा हूं. So did you like the trailer? Yeah. Did you like the trailer?
Yeah, I like the trailer.
Thank you. Green. नहीं, green हो जाएगा. Then you. White shirt. Yeah, yeah. Did you like my new look in the film? Do I resemble you? Okay. He is telling the truth. Okay. कौन है? आप. Yeah, you. Are you going to write good stuff about the film? You're going to write good stuff about the film?
Yes, I will.
Oh, thank you. And you, are you looking forward to watch the film?
Yeah, definitely yes.
Definitely yes. Oh, all true. Okay, now you. Are you honest as a journalist?
Yeah. Yeah.
No or yes?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like your job?
Most probably.
Okay. Would you play a game like that in real life if given an opportunity? Yeah, you.
No, I don't think so.
No?
Still.
10 million Fijian dollars, 21
No.
crore rupees.
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
So why do you say so?
I can lose my life for that, right? So, no. It's better I'll work hard.
Okay. Have you intentionally bitched about an actor to settle scores with him or her? You. No. आपके बाजू वाले. हाँ जी. Okay. So what do you think is the highlight of the film? Me, Rajiv on the hot seat, or hot Tina in a bikini shot, or the film's concept? Yeah.
Sir, first of all, आपका look के लिए और the concept is very nice, very unique to media and all the public people. So we definitely say कि जो आपका content है वो बहुत strong है.
Okay. चलिए, that is over. Now it's up to Rajiv, na?
No. Now, gentlemen of the press, I guess it's time for us to turn the tables. We've had a chance to ask you questions. We're looking forward to any questions that you might have. Fashion, and please introduce yourself and the publication you're from. Ma'am, I know you raised your hand. Yeah.
Why?
Last time I lied, I think today in the morning. Yeah, I think today in the morning. You lie sometimes because you know that the person will not be able to take the truth. So sometimes you lie for that too.
परेश जी रेखा खान हियर.
हाँ जी नमस्कार.
नमस्कार परेश जी, अगर आपको मौका मिले इस तरह के गेम में पार्टिसिपेट होने का, तो आप अपनी मतलब जान 21 करोड़ के लिए दांव पर लगाना चाहेंगे?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं, क्योंकि जिंदगी हम पैसे कमाने के लिए कर रहे हैं. माने हमारे लिए तो मैं समझता हूँ पूरी जिंदगी गैम्बल है, तो ये 21 करोड़ जब मिल रहा है तो क्यों ना करें.
लेकिन जैसे आपने कहा कि सुबह ही आपको झूठ बोलना पड़ा, तो वो उससे कैसे बच पाएंगे आप? क्योंकि इसमें अगर आपने झूठ कहा तो फिर आपकी मौत निश्चित है. ऐसा आपका डायलॉग है सर.
वो आप फिल्म देखेंगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कितना झूठ बोल के भी भाग गए हैं ये लोग.
ओके परेश जी, एक सवाल मैं और आपसे जानना चाहूंगी. आपकी पिछली फिल्म में आपने भगवान के साथ में मुकदमा कर लिया था, उनको कटघरे में खड़ा कर दिया था. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस उस रोल के लिए. और इस रोल में आप एक बहुत ही अलग अंदाज में नजर आ रहे हैं, तो आपके लिए इस किरदार को चुनने की क्या वजह थी?
जैसा मैंने बताया कि स्क्रिप्ट नंबर 1, स्क्रिप्ट बड़ी बेहतरीन स्क्रिप्ट है, और मैं समझता हूँ कि स्क्रिप्ट ही जैसे ओ माय गॉड के अंदर बैठा, स्क्रिप्ट ही थी. स्क्रिप्ट की ताकत होती है. फिर आते हैं डायरेक्टर, फिर आते हैं को आर्टिस्ट कि मुझे किनके साथ काम करना है. क्योंकि मैं ऐसे लोगों के साथ काम करना चाहता हूं कि जिनके पास से मैं भी कुछ सीखूं और मुझे काम करने का मजा आए। तो ये 3 रीजन हैं।
Yeah, my question to Paresh ji. I'm Vedita over here. We should complete different looks. So how many experiments you have done for the looks to finalize it?
Sorry, what?
We see complete different looks, okay?
Yeah.
So how many different experiments you have done it to finalize these looks?
No, I think it was done in some. Aditya, this question is for you. मैं तो ऐसा सर नीचे रख के बैठ गया था।
We had already decided that we were going to go for a crazy look, so we did it actually step by step. When Paresh ji landed, we actually first cut his hair completely down, and then we actually started shaving his head, and then we said, okay, let's leave this and see how it looks. So the whole process took us 2 hours, to be honest.
Hi, Tina. This question is for you. If you guys are so confident about your concept, why do you think there is a need for an actress to expose in any film?
Wow. Well, I'm on vacation in this one, and I'm coming out of the sea. So it's not really exposing, it's just having a good time on a holiday with your husband.
परेश सर, प्रभात है सर। सर प्रभात स्ट्रेट। सर आपके हिसाब से मिस एक्टिंग इज अ इनबॉर्न टैलेंट या एक्टिंग कैन बी लर्नड? आई मीन आपके हिसाब से क्या है?
आई थिंक एक्टिंग लाइक एनी अदर क्राफ्ट, वो आपको सीखना पड़ता है। बॉर्न एक्टर वाला कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है, वो आपको सीखना पड़ता है। लाइक एनी अदर क्राफ्ट, कारपेंटरी है कि कुछ भी है, इंजीनियरिंग है, वो सब ये सीखना पड़ता है।
सो डू यू कंसिडर योरसेल्फ एज अ इनबॉर्न एक्टर और टैलेंट, मतलब सीखा आपने? यू लर्न एक्टिंग?
हाँ, मैंने सीखते अभी भी सीख रहा हूँ मैं। मैंने इट्स ऑन गोइंग प्रोसेस। ये नहीं कि बस मैंने इसमें डिग्री हासिल कर ली है अब बंद, ऐसी बात नहीं है। ऑब्जर्वेशन तो आपका चालू ही रहता है।
Yeah, Paresh ji, as I said, I didn't catch the AV, but from what I can generally gather, you seem to be playing a kind of negative role. How is it returning to villainy after quite a gap? You know, you have been essentially doing comic roles and emotional roles.
नहीं, मैंने एक पिक्चर की थी आक्रोश नाम की, जो चली नहीं थी। हमारे वहाँ तकलीफ ये होती कि कॉमेडी पिक्चर चल जाती है, आक्रोश चली नहीं थी। उसके अंदर भी नेगेटिव किस्म का रोल था, और इसके अंदर आप जैसा समझते हैं वो नेगेटिविटी नहीं है। इसकी नेगेटिविटी बिल्कुल अलग है। मैं ये कहूँगा कि जायज़ भी है कुछ हद तक, और एक जब आप पूरी फिल्म देखेंगे तब जाके आपको पता चलेगा वेदर इज नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव, ग्रे और व्हाट। नहीं, कॉमेडी वाले सब रंग है इसके अंदर। नहीं, मुझे जो भी रोल अच्छा लिखा हुआ हो, जो भी मुझे मोटिवेट करे, चैलेंज करे, उस किस्म के रोल मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं, वेदर इज नेगेटिव, कॉमेडी और पॉजिटिव, व्हाटएवर।
राजीव आपसे यहाँ पर सवाल है। राजीव, आप इससे पहले गेम शो खेल चुके हैं सच का सामना, तो इसमें अपोजिट बैठना कितना मुश्किल था? झूठ बोलना मुश्किल था या सच बोलना मुश्किल था?
कुर्सी पे बैठना ही बहुत मुश्किल था। मैं जब वो शो होस्ट करता रहा तब हमेशा कहता था कि जो मेरे सामने बैठा है वो मैं जानता हूँ आसान नहीं है उस पर बैठना। ये मेरा फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस था उस कुर्सी पर बैठना, एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू दोज पीपल हु केम ऑन माय शो एंड सैट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी एंड फेस दोज क्वेश्चंस। हमारे लिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल था, क्योंकि मैं तो बहुत काइंड होस्ट था। देख रहे हैं? तो एक और पोस्टर है, मेरी शक्ल देखो आप, मेरे कभी किसी कंटेस्टिंग की शक्ल थी ऐसी? So it was very difficult, but an experience. It was learning.
Rajiv, it seems that you like the character most for chasing the target. We've seen in Amir and now with this. There's a bit kind of similarity. I don't know. I don't think the character is bit same, but you like such kind of character. Those challenge you more.
See, Amir was a wonderful script. So is this. So I like great scripts. I like scripts which are like which have a soul, which have a some kind of sensibility. I think एक एक्टर का काम बहुत आसान हो जाता है जब आपकी स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी हो, तो you are not lost in the film. So Beat शैतान, Will You Marry Me मैंने attempt की थी एक different film. It didn't work or it wasn't released properly or whatever. You would like to believe that. But yeah, I think it's more of the script. And this one, as Paresh ji just said, ये फिल्म देखने के बाद ही समझ में आएगा आपको कि exactly है क्या. But and I'm sure once you walk out of the cinema hall, you will say बहुत अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट थी, बहुत अच्छी फिल्म थी।
सुनील जी, सुनील जी, रेखा खान, जी सुनील जी, सिनेमा एक बहुत ही एक्सपेरिमेंटल और एक बहुत अच्छे दौर से गुजर रहा है. बहुत तरह तरह की मूवीज आ रही हैं पिछले कई अरसे से. टेबल नंबर 21 को आप कैसे देख रहे हैं इस पूरे सिनारियो में?
Again, as I told earlier, is a high concept film and is a thriller. And again, again that's what I've said. Naya is something looking like something new kind of subject. It's looking like it's not a routine kind of subject. So that's what I feel about it.
लेकिन थ्रिलर की एक बात ऐसी होती है कि उसमें एक पेस को बनाए रखना, एक पकड़ को बनाए रखना बहुत जरूरी होता है. तो आप लोग तो इस फिल्म को कर चुके हैं.
No numerology in this.
But because number could be anything. It could be 1 or 2 or whatever. Why 21?
But 21 is sounding good. Table 21.
Aditya, you like to highlight something on that?
क्योंकि टेबल नंबर 20 किसी दूसरे के पास था.
Yeah, because it was very, very challenging. When I read the script, I said, can I pull this off? For me, it was like, I couldn't see myself in this film. I said, no, I just can't do this. It's too demanding. The script was too demanding.
और एक बात दूसरी खास बात ये भी है स्क्रिप्ट की कि ये पिक्चर देखने के बाद आपको अंदर ये महसूस होगा कि मैं किसकी साइड लूं, परेश रावल के कैरेक्टर की साइड लूं या राजीव टीना के कैरेक्टर की साइड लूं. ये बात आपको ये थोड़ी कश्मकश हो जाएगी. यार ये तो ऐसी बात है कि भैया सचिन तेंदुलकर ने एक मैच के अंदर 15 रन बनाया तो दूसरी मैच में मत लो उसे. इसका कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है. आई डोंट लुक एट द बॉक्स ऑफिस फिगर्स व्हेन आई रीड द स्क्रिप्ट. आई डोंट लुक एट द कि भैया इसने पहले क्या बना, इस स्क्रिप्ट के साथ वो जस्टिस करेगा कि नहीं, इसे जस्टिफाई करेगा कि नहीं, वही मैं देखते रहता हूँ. एंड यू कांट जज पीपल स्पेशली इन अवर इंडस्ट्री बाय देयर बॉक्स ऑफिस फिगर्स.
देखिए जरा टाइम पे there was a multiplex strike, so it couldn't get released properly, that movie, during that time, if you all remember.
राजीव, ऐसा कहा जा रहा है फिल्म प्रमोशन के लिए आप बिग बॉस के घर में जाने वाले, ऐसी कोई बात है?
आउट हो गई खबर. जी हाँ, मैं बिग बॉस जा रहा हूँ. एंड आई थिंक दिस वीकेंड यू विल सी मी देयर सिटिंग ऑन टेबल नंबर 21 with the host of बिग बॉस.
सलमान के साथ वो थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में कितने एक्साइटेड हैं ओवरऑल?
मेरी फिल्म वहाँ तक पहुँच रही, मुझे उसकी ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है. बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है. सलमान ऑफ कोर्स, आई शुडंट इवन स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट हिम, बट इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म एंड आई एम श्योर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू रीच आउट टू एज मेनी पीपल एज पॉसिबल. दिस फिल्म नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ अवेयरनेस एंड दैट्स माई जॉब टू एज एन एक्टर टू गो एंड प्रमोट इट ऑन डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स. So Big Boss, of course, is a great platform to promote your film. Waiting for a call from Mr. Bachchan.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen of the press, that will be the last question. Yeah, thank you.
For Aditya, Paresh ji is a very convincing actor, लेकिन उनकी seniority को देखते हुए you look quite young. कैसा था उनके साथ काम करने का experience to direct him?
As I said, I'm usually pretty good. You want me to talk in Hindi or English? I'll speak in Hindi. यूजली मैं काफ़ी आसानी से अपनी बात कन्वे कर सकता हूँ लोगों को, स्पेशली ऑन द सेट्स. एंड परेश जी बीइंग इतने एक्सपीरियंस, ही इज़ वर्क विद आई गेस ऑल काइंड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, सो ही मोर देन मी, उनकी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है टू अंडरस्टैंड द डायरेक्टर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, दैट हेल्प्स मी अ लॉट. सो इट्स एज आई सेड, इट्स अ जॉब. आई एम गोइंग टू गो एंड एग्जीक्यूट माई स्क्रिप्ट एंड स्पीक विद हिम एंड कन्वे व्हाट आई वांट टू कन्वे. So it's काफ़ी आसान है. In fact, Paresh ji, as an actor on set, he is very easy to work with. He's very understanding and he knows the script in and out. So in fact, he's a good guideline also. If sometimes as a director, कभी अगर आप line के बाहर जा रहे हो, तो he discusses it बहुत पहले before on the set. So it's as I said, very easy to work with him.
परेश जी, सर आपसे जानना चाहूँगा. क्या सर? ओके, अगर आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है आपको, मैं आपको शायद दिख ना पाऊँ.
हाँ.
अमूमन जब भी आपसे रूबरू होती है मीडिया, बहुत नबातुला जवाब देते हैं. आज बहुत अच्छे मूड में नजर आ रहे हैं.
सूट पहना है ना भैया?
यकीनन सर, सूट भी पहना, बहुत अच्छे मूड में नजर आ रहे हैं. बहुत नपे-तुले जवाब देते हैं और निपटा देते हैं.
नहीं, मैं ये मानता हूँ कि मीडिया के पास तब आना चाहिए जब आपके पास कहने के लिए कुछ बातें हों, क्योंकि मीडिया इतना पावरफुल मीडियम है, इतना बहुत ही बड़ा वेपन है, तो उसका सही तरह से उसका इस्तेमाल होना चाहिए. बार बार मैं मीडिया के सामने आता रहूँगा, कहने के लिए कुछ है नहीं, तो आप भी कहेंगे ये देखो आ गए बोर करने के लिए. आवाम तो बोर हो ही जाएगा, लेकिन इसके लिए मैं समझता हूँ कि जब आता हूँ तब मेरे पास कुछ कहने के लिए हो तो मैं आऊँ.
सर, इतना नेगेटिव किरदार निभाने के बाद भी इतनी पॉजिटिविटी कहाँ से आ गई? मतलब अमूमन होता नहीं ना सर आपके साथ. बड़ा नपातुले में निपटा देते हैं आप। 6 लाइन का सवाल और 1 शब्द में बोलते हैं ये हो गया, चलो जाओ।
हाँ भैया।
सर द पॉजिटिविटी फ्रॉम वेयर यू गेटिंग योर पॉजिटिविटी सर? आई होप यू टेक इट ऑन अ लाइट नोट।
मैं समझ, आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल ऐसा आकाशवाणी की तरह आ रही है।
मैं उम्मीद करता हूं मेरे सवालों को आप लाइट नोट पे लेंगे।
हाँ नहीं, डेफिनेटली।
Yeah, Rajiv, was it your first on-screen kissing scene?
No, I did a film called Soundtrack. I had an intimate scene in that film, and I had one little intimate shot with Tina. But that is again a very integral part of the film. When you watch the film, you realize somebody had asked her about the bikini shot. It's, nothing we have done which was not in the script. We haven't resorted to any of those gimmicks to sell the film. I think inherently the film has that strength which will get the audience in the cinema halls.